Junior Fleeters, it's me again. We're about to record our next video, and this one's gonna be on right-of-way rules. So with it being the 4th of July weekend, I have some special guests that I wanted to bring in here, and it's not my beautiful little puppy that's walking around here. My sisters are gonna help explain right-of-way rules.
Hi guys, it's Kiki and Caitlin. So basically with starboard and port, you know you're on starboard when the wind is coming across the right side of the boat. So your sail's on the left side of the boat, and port is when your sail's on the right side of the boat and the wind's coming across the port side of your boat. And when you're on starboard, you have the right of way. So if someone yells, well, you have to yell starboard for the other boat to know. Then you have to either tack or avoid hitting them.
So as my sisters just explained, we'd have a starboard boat and a port boat. The starboard boat would have their sail on the left side with the wind going over the right side of the boat, while the port boat would have their sail on the right side and the wind going over the left side of their boat. If they're both sailing along and about to hit each other, the starboard boat would have right of way and would need to yell starboard. The port boat would then have two choices. It would be able to tack and keep heading on course, or if it wanted to stay its course and not tack, it could duck under the starboard boat and come around and keep sailing as the starboard boat continues on its way. If the port boat is to foul the starboard boat, meaning the starboard boat has to tack, or it changes its course in any way, the port boat will have to do turns. The next right-of-way rule we have is windward versus leeward. In this sense, leeward would have the right-of-way because it is the farthest away from the wind. The leeward boat could then head up the windward boat, but it cannot cause itself to luff or go into irons. If it does, then it has gone past its point and is no longer the leeward boat and is no longer in the right. However, if this boat is behind it and sailing up and starts to climb up on this boat, it does not have the leeward rights until it establishes mast to beam. Right here is where it would establish its mast to beam and then become the leeward boat. Another thing to remember is that the tacking boat loses all its rights. So if this boat is coming in at the starboard boat and decides to tack, it has no rights until its sail is completely full. But if it does tack, now it is the leeward boat. For all the rules we just discussed, if you foul another boat, you're gonna have to do 2 full turns, which means a 720. So 1 whole circle, another whole circle. If you if you hit a mark, that is just a 360. We hope you enjoyed our video.
Good luck!